So today I'll be showing you how to put the Sony XM6 headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure the Bluetooth headphones are off. So if they're on, you can just long press on this button for about 3 to 4 seconds until the headphones go off. So you can see mine are on and they're actually blinking because they're on. So what I'll need to do is turn them off. So I'll press for about 3 to 4 seconds and that will turn off the headphones. Now with the headphones off, now long press for about 6 to 7 seconds until this light next to the power button starts blinking rapidly. This little LED over here. Okay, so press and hold. There you go. So you can see that blink in that pattern. That tells you they're in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can even confirm from my phone, you can see it's already detected them. And even if I scan with my Bluetooth, you can see my phone detects this because they are in pairing mode. So once they're in pairing mode, you can be able to detect them on a computer or on a laptop or a smart TV and pair and connect them to the headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.